How to check SBI debit card number and CVV online, quick and easy. Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to check your SBI debit card number and CVV online, safely and step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the SBI Yono app. First, open the SBI Yono app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it from the Play Store or App Store and log in using your credentials. Step 2. Go to My Cards or Cards section. Once you're logged in, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom or look for My Cards under the menu. Step 3. View Virtual Debit Card. Under the Debit Card section, select your active account. Now tap on View Details or Virtual Debit Card. Step 4. Authenticate with OTP or MPIN. To view your card number and CVV, you'll be asked to authenticate using an OTP or your MPN. Enter it to proceed. Step 5. View your card number, expiry, and CVV. Now you'll be able to see your full debit card number, expiry date, and CVV securely on your screen. This is your official virtual debit card, and it works just like the physical one. Important note: for security reasons, never share your card number, expiry date, or CVV with anyone, and always make sure you're using the official SBI Yono app. Outro. And that's how you can easily check your SBI debit card number and CVV online using the SBI Yono app. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up.